Hey there, good evening and welcome to Alvin Dixie Chin video. We'd like to thank all our YouTube friends, all friends and many others who watch our videos and subscribe to us. Thank you for your good comments and suggestions. We're now going to show our night setup for car camping. Together with our boy, we are on our way to car camping tonight. As per usual, dinner packet at my favorite food court. Let us go to our car camping car park now. We choose the car park that is next to Burger King, Old Town Coffee. This car park is nearer to the seafront, and when we open our car hatchback, we can have a nice view. We have found a good spot to park our car. Tonight, eat char kway teow. After dinner, a stroll to the beachfront as it will be dark later. Getting ready for night car camping setup. First, these are our mosquito net purchased online for all my 4 windows to prevent mosquitoes from joining us in my car. This is how I set it up. Very easy to put on. It will cover all universal car as it's stretchable, and for the front driver and passenger side net, there's a hole for the side mirror. Next, these are my blower fans to cool my car. Please go to car camping video episode number 5 to see how we cool our car by these fans. The link is just below, just click it. Installing the fan was one of the comments a friend asked how we set it in, simple and easy. This is how it will look like together with the Mosey neck. I install one side blow in and the other side blow out. Depends on your reference. You can set both the fans to blow in too. Next, removing all barang-barang accessories in my car to lay space for the blow bed. Push down both middle passenger seats, fully recline down. All set space, lay blow bed and blow it. For your reference, blowback setup similar to my previous video car camping episode number 2. Check out the link below on how to set up blower and usage. Wow! A fully air bed ready for our rest while we enjoy the night and sea view with breeze. Next, let us install our fairy night light to enhance the ambient. We use a simple online purchase LED string light which can be powered up by a 5V DC power bank. Here we got a beautiful car camping night setup for bed, rest and relax.
Yes, baby.
So long friend, we gotta go off now. Till next video tune, do help subscribe, like and click on notification for our next video soon.